Hey guys, it's Kimberly here at South Bay Volkswagen here in sunny San Diego. Today I'm going to be going over the Roadside Assistance Kit that comes in most Volkswagen models. If it's not available in yours, you can always purchase it in the parts department. So here, let's get to it. So in the Roadside Assistance Kit, you're going to be able to find your essentials that you're usually going to need in a roadside assistance emergency. So you're going to have your gloves right here. So you can work on your vehicle. You also have a multi-tool that'll come with the vehicle. So this multi-tool, you're gonna have a wrench, also a screwdriver, and a flathead. So this is all gonna be available in the Roadside Assistance Kit. Aside from that, also you're gonna have your little baggie with the Roadside Assistance further needs. So you're gonna have some bandages in here. You're gonna have your emergency blanket. You're also gonna have a rain poncho, some PVC tape, and a whistle. This is all gonna come in this little baggie here as well, but that's not it. Also, what's also available in the Roadside Assistance Kit, you're gonna have an emergency triangle that's gonna be in this little aluminum bag. If needed, you will also have a couple of zip ties available, as well as your jumper cables. And this right here is gonna be a battery-free flashlight. So you're gonna be able to recharge this by simply pulling on this little handle here. So there's no need for batteries. So you don't have to worry about your Roadside Assistance Kit flashlight not having the batteries. So that's pretty much all that comes in the Roadside Assistance Kit. Like I said, it does come in some models, but if you were to want this as an added feature, you can always purchase it in the parts department. If you guys have any other questions or you would like me to review any other kits, please drop them down below in the comments. Make sure you click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.